Hey all, and welcome back to another episode of Coffeefusion. This week we're taking a look at the long black. So first off, the basics. The long black is a black coffee made on the espresso machine. It consists of hot water and espresso. But you can actually make it in any size cup with as little or as many shots of espresso as you enjoy. Now in this video, I'm going to make my long black with El Porvenir, which is a single origin from Guatemala. I really like using lighter roast single origins for long blacks because you get more of a unique flavor in the cup, but then again, brew whatever you enjoy. Now because there's no sweet milk hiding the flavor of your coffee, I definitely recommend making sure that your coffee is fresh. So this means it's within 7 and 30 days of roasting. Usually when we're making a long black, you add the hot water to the cup first, and then you extract your espresso on top. Now if you're going to use water straight from your machine's hot water tap, it's going to be boiling water. So it might be a good idea to add some ice like I have here, or some cool water to cool it down. If you don't do this, you'll just be waiting a few minutes for it to cool down before you can drink it. Now when I make my long blacks, I usually use the water from my kettle and I can set the temperature, so I have it at about 70 degrees Celsius and then it's ready to drink. Now because your long black is just water and coffee, it goes without saying that we want to have a really nice balanced extraction because nothing will hide any of the flavor issues that we have in the cup. So my go-to starter recipe for black coffee is 20 grams in, 50 grams out in about 28 to 30 seconds, and from here I'll make slight adjustments to highlight specific tasting notes in the cup. Now if I just lost you there and you're not really sure what any of that means, I would definitely recommend checking out the beginner's espresso guide I have on the channel. I'll link it at the end of the video. So the great thing about a long black is that you're really able to taste the more subtle flavor notes a coffee has to offer. And your perception of flavor also changes as the coffee cools. So a great long black should remain sweet throughout, but perhaps you'll taste new things over the course of drinking the cup. There's also a lot of comparison between an americano and a long black. Some people might say that the americano has the espresso first and then hot water added. Others might say that the americano has a dash of cold milk added. The thing is, while switching the order of the ingredients might make a little bit of a change to the mouthfeel of the coffee, it won't really change the flavor dramatically. The crema on a long black tends to dissipate pretty quickly anyway, and personally I prefer to stir the crema in, as I think crema doesn't have the best taste on its own. So you should now have a pretty good idea on how to make a great long black. Remember, if you haven't checked out that espresso recipe video, definitely check that out because that's a key component of making a great long black. Now, if you're based in Australia, remember you can grab some coffee from our website or you can join our coffee community and sign up to the subscription. If you sign up, you get a free sample pack for your first delivery to try a few coffees and learn what you like most. You just have to cover the shipping to get the coffee in your hands. Hopefully you learned everything you needed from this video. If not, comment below your questions and I'll help out. Until next time, keep frothing.